Welcome to Dr. Property Dude's channel. I'm Dustin Parvin. I am a real estate salesperson who specializes in property management. Top 5 reasons why a property owner should hire a property manager. If you own rental property, this one decision could save you thousands of dollars. Today, I'm covering the top 5 reasons a property owner would hire a professional property manager. And by the end, you'll know if managing your own property is worth it. Let's get into it. Coming in at reason number 5, time. Most people think property management is collecting rent once a month. It's not. It's maintenance call, tenant communication, vendor coordination, inspections, documentation, lease renewals, problem solving.
So like this one, really like 6, 7?
The question isn't, can you manage your own property? The question is, do you want to? Do you have time? Reason number 4, California law. Oh my goodness. California has some of the most complex landlord-tenant laws in the country.
Oh my God!
One mistake can become a very expensive lesson. We're talking security deposits, fair housing, required notices, habitability.
Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning.
Staying educated matters. Reason number 3, tenant screening.
So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to approve you for the apartment.
Anyone can fill a vacancy. The goal isn't to fill it fast. The goal is placing the right tenant the first time. A good tenant can make ownership enjoyable. A bad tenant can make it miserable. Reason number 2, protecting your investment.
Command, this is Kill Switch 1-4.
For most owners, rental property is their largest asset.
One of the weakest performers was your own personal real estate because it doesn't provide income. If you're going to own real estate with an income is the one real estate that's more valuable.
We're talking routine inspections, preventative maintenance, documentation, things protect your investment before they become problems, even expensive repairs.
Why?
Because I'm all out of money!
Before we get into number 1 reason, if you found this video to be useful, please hit that like button, share, and hit that notification bell. Of course, subscribe to the channel.
Like, share, follow, and subscribe.
The number 1 reason is peace of mind.
Into the future.
Most owners don't hire a property manager because they can't collect rent or do these things. They do it to save them time. Most property owners, they want their weekends back, their vacations back. They just simply want their time back. Now, here's the truth. Can you manage your property? Absolutely. And many owners do a fantastic job. The better question is it the best use of your time? Is it the best use of your knowledge or your energy? If you found this video to be useful, subscribe to the channel. Every week, I will break down California property management. I'll provide landlord tips and rental best practices. My goal is simple, to help property owners make better decisions. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Dr. Property Dude, moving on to the next property.